Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world. So today we're going to be doing a little eyeshadow tutorial just with the Too Faced chocolate bar, so I can use some more of the salted caramel from it and the white chocolate shade, because I want to do my project pan update soon and I want to use this beautiful shade here. I've had it a while now and it's been stuck in my lipstick like tray back there for me to use. There are a few cream eyeshadows that I need to be using really soon. So yeah, I thought I would do a little look with this today. So that's what it looks like on the hand. Most of it's gone off now. Let's just do another swatch. So that's what it looks like there. It's really pretty. So yeah, we're just gonna start applying eyeshadow. It should really be a 5-minute eyeshadow look. It shouldn't take long. So yeah, let's pop some eyeshadow on. So again, I'm just gonna go into the Too Faced white chocolate shade. I'm gonna zoom in before I forget. Then we are going to go in with the salted caramel shade. I nearly showed it you then. I don't want to show it to you until I've done the project pan update. On the palette we're doing them every 2 months. It's a little bit late in going up just because for 2 weeks I didn't really get the chance to use it. So it's about 2 weeks late in going up at this point. So it's literally only 2 eyeshadows and then that cream eyeshadow we're using. Kind of like a one and done eyeshadow look. Okay. Right, so this one is by W7. It's one of the OTT Magic Metals and it is in the shade Out of the Blue. Yeah, I actually ordered 2 of them but I gave one away. But yeah, it's just really nice. You do have to go in with a few layers. Well, I say a few, 2 should do it. And what I normally tend to do, because I don't want it to be too flaky, I go in with the first layer and let it dry so you can just see it. You can just see the reflect of it. Yeah, it's definitely getting more pigmented now. And these aren't expensive at all. I think about either $3.99 or $4.99. Worth every penny. So they're kind of dupes for the Steeler ones. Right, so I might need to go in one more time just because I like them really pigmented. Yeah, I think I want to go in with one more coat. Now it's probably more hygienic to put this on the finger and then spread it on the eyes, but I'm not too bothered about that. So again, what I do is close my eyes for about a minute and then wait for it to dry and then come back. I can see it's gone in my crease there a little bit. Yeah, so what what you can obviously do is just use this without using a creased eyeshadow, but I really like using the Salted Caramel shade as my creased eyeshadow. I'm just going to go in and try and blend that glitter out, which doesn't seem to be working that well. I mean, it's not the most pigmented eyeshadow, but it is quite pigmented. So now I'm going to go back into the white chocolate just for the brow bone. Okay, we will tight line. Instead of me putting the Salted Caramel shade on, I think I'm going to use this Essence Silky Nude eyeliner just to brighten the eye area up. Yeah, that'll do. Then I need to find my little eyeliner, Too Faced Perfect black from the Love collection that I've got. Well, I say collection, I mean the Love palette. I think I need to sharpen it. Okay, now we'll use the new mascara and see what I think. I've only used it a few days since I bought it, but I'm not really loving it, guys. Not loving the wand, and I'm not loving how it applies. So like I've said in previous videos, you can definitely tell I'm wearing it. But it's not as good as the Essence one. And then it's just a lipstick today, which I've got one here. So it's a Charlotte Tilbury, as it is Charlotte Tilbury Lipstick Week. And this one is in Velvet Underground. It's a really nice bright pink. So that's what it looks like. Perfect for spring and summer. Now, I don't normally wear a shade as bright as this on my lips, but I'm actually liking it the way it's looking. Looks really nice with that eyeshadow topper. I would say this is definitely an eyeshadow topper. It would look nice with a similar shade underneath, or maybe just kind of a white eyeshadow underneath, a white shimmer, and then this over the top. You can make it opaque if you just put like quite a few layers on it. Like at the moment there's like 3 layers on it. I'm not going to put another one down, even though I'm itching to really, because I do like it more pigmented than this. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. So again, it's just a quick and easy eyeshadow tutorial with a few eyeshadows. Well, when you think about it, it's only really 2 eyeshadows, because the white chocolate shade is more of a base. So just a Salted Caramel shade in the crease, and you don't even have to wear that. So it would be even quicker if you just use this, but you do have to give it time to dry before you apply the next coat, otherwise it will go on really chunky. So yeah, I really like these. I would recommend this shade. There is another one that they do, it's a yellow one, and it looks beautiful. It looks very similar to my Stila Yellowtails that I have. I'm sure on the channel I've got a tutorial of me using that, so if I can find it I will link it to the card so you can see what I mean. But the W7 one is called Yellowtails, and the actual collection for the Stila one is called, I think, White Lies or something like that. And these are a complete dupe for them, but so much cheaper. Like I said, they're about £3.99 or £4.99, and they do compare quite well to the Steeler ones. Let me see if I've got one similar to that. I don't think I have. Right, so here are my Steeler ones. Yeah, they're called Little White Lies. So I've got 2 of them. They're still in the box. This one's Yellow Tails. So this is the one that I want the W7 one, so I can do a is it a dupe video. Let me just swatch it, because I might not be able to find the video and you can see what it looks like. It is so pretty, guys. Absolutely love it. It's just like a yellow gold there. Can you see that? It's just really pretty. And then we've got this one. This one I think is more of a mint green. Yeah, it's called Mint Myth. And I've used this before as well. If I can find the videos, I will link them to either the card section or at the end of the video. Now this one is looking like I've used a lot from it. I don't know if you can see the gap there. Hope it's not on its way to going bad. Yeah, so this is Mint Myth. No, it's not dry at all, so that's Mint Myth there. I would say out of those 3 eyeshadows, I'm actually liking the W7 one more, and then it goes to that one, and then that one from Steeler. But these Steeler ones are quite expensive. I think I paid under £10 for this. No, I paid under £10 one for the Yellow Tails. I got that on special offer, but I paid full price for this from the Steeler website, just because I wanted the Mint Myth one. But I would definitely say Yellow Tails is more pigmented. So yeah, that's what they all look like there. And obviously this W7 one is the most inexpensive. I would say if you want to try the formula of the Steeler ones, go down the W7 route first and just see if you actually like these liquid eyeshadows. And then I've got a few of the Steeler Glitter and Glows as well, which aren't comparable to this, so I'm not going to go into swatching them, but I have used those as well on the channel. Not all of them. Let's see. I've got one behind here. I need to do a look with this tomorrow. So this is one of the minis that I've got, and this one is in the shade Forever. This one I don't think is as pigmented. I think this is dried up as well. Oh my god, that is completely dry. I only got this for my birthday as well. Look, completely dry. Right, I need to test the other ones. I'll do that on camera with you guys. Right, so this is what they came in this little box here. I can't believe that's dried up. So I've been told that contact lens solution like revives everything. I can't be bothered going back to the company I bought them from, and I don't even know where they was bought from because it was a gift, so can't be bothered with all that. So I'm going to try and revive it myself. If I can't, I'm hoping that these haven't done the same thing, but it's in the same set, so it makes sense that they would have done. So this one's Eternal. No, I mean, that one's not dried up. It's not dried up at all. It feels like quite moist. This one is completely dried up, so I might try and revive that. And then there's a really nice purple one which I've already used on the channel. How very disappointing. This one's called Infinite. And that one's not done it either, so that one's there. I wanted to use that other one tomorrow, and I'm not going to be able to because I don't have any solution to kind of revive it. Eternal. No, it's completely dry, guys. Well, that's a shame. So I'll just put it back in the set. I don't know if I use this one. What I'll do is I'll take Eternal out. I don't know if I've used it. I know for definite I've used the purple one. I'll take Eternal out and I'll check on the channel if I've used it. If I've used it, I'll put it back in the set. Right, and while I was going through my drawer then, I found something that could be a dupe for Mint Myth, so we're just going to test that out as well. It's probably easier to test it out on the eye, but let's just test it out on the hand. Right, so this one is the Stila Mint Myth. Let's do another swatch. That's that one there by Stila. And then where's the W7 one? I mean, they are pretty mini compared to the Stila ones, but my point's been proven with that other mini Stila here. It's drying up. You have to be really quick in using these because they dry up so quickly. So Purple Prism, no, it's not going to be the same. I'll swatch both of the W7 ones I've got. So this one is Out of the Blue, the one that I've just got on my eyes now, and then this one is Purple Prism. I thought I had one that was kind of minty. So Out of the Blue, Purple Prism, and that's the Stila Mint Myth. They're not the same at all. That's my mistake. I thought it was. So yeah guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and become part of our crazy little fam. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.